There are two people that can call me anytime, and that's Dr. Ike Muslow and the Honorable Don Zadeck. The foundation would not be where it is today if you didn't have those two people.
In my opinion, Ike is one of very few people who's responsible for the existence of this institution. I really don't think that we would be here without Dr. Muslow.
I think if you were to ask anyone in the medical community in North Louisiana, and you were to ask people in the region who have no medical background to name the one person most responsible for a transition of a regional charity hospital into a national academic health sciences center, the one name that would unanimously be said is Dr. Ike Muslow.
There's probably not a week that goes by when I'm up on the wards where I don't hear somebody say some version of, what would Dr. Muslow do?
Well, there were two reasons why I thought the school needed a foundation, basically. One, of course, is to raise money. And the second one, it was to let the community know what they had and get the community involved in the school, which would allow us to grow and also to raise funds. Well, Donald was the only one that I even thought about leading the institution.
To my understanding, it was the only institution of any size, be it public or private like that didn't have a foundation. To bring in tax-free money and to be able to spend it on things that were necessary, but there wasn't state money available to do.
Without Donald, the foundation certainly might exist, but I think it wouldn't exist had it not been for Donald Zadeck.
A very ambitious young man, well-connected, knows how to go around obstacles to get certain things done.
What Mr. Zadeck meant to the foundation was leadership. He never wavered in his absolute requirement that everyone be focused on doing the best we could to help move what then we refer to as the LSU Health Sciences Center forward.
And Donald was well known throughout the community for his generosity and his drive. And that was it. And Donald became Mr. Foundation, really.
People in this community and throughout the state will give to Donald Zadeck when he's involved in a project because they know of the depth of character of him. Consequently, the organization or the institution or the enterprise that he's supporting must certainly be good.
When I retired in 2008, we had amassed right at $80 million. Went from 220,000 to 80 million, I think it was 80 million in 10 years.
These two gentlemen, without their wisdom and their energy, we certainly wouldn't be where we are today with certainly the most significant economic entity in our community at the moment.
Ike, you know, you're an humble man, and you may not admit to being proud of much of anything. But if I were you, I would be proud of contributing to the education of thousands of physicians, many if not most of whom still live in this area.
I want to offer my deepest heartfelt congratulations to you, Mr. Zadeck, for being selected as a community hero. No one loves the Health Sciences Center more or had a deeper calling to try to make an impact on this institution.